Have you ever created something beautiful, only to discover it carried a message you never expected? Welcome back to Lora, Inspire and Create, your channel for DIY crafts, handmade jewelry, and creative inspiration you can try at home. This is the story of Clara, a young designer who loved collecting gemstones. One afternoon, while cleaning her studio, she found a small velvet pouch hidden inside a drawer. Inside it was a single cracked blue stone, something she did not remember buying. Curious, she decided to turn it into a bracelet. She wrapped it with silver wire, added a few beads of moonstone and glass, and finished it with a simple clasp. The bracelet looked beautiful, but imperfect, just like the stone. Later that night, while photographing her work, she noticed something strange. Under the studio light, the crack in the blue stone reflected a tiny pattern, like a set of initials carved deep within. She looked closer and realized the letters matched her late mother's name. Clara froze. Her mother had also been a jewelry maker years ago before passing away. She had always told Clara that every stone carried energy, and sometimes love finds its way back through creation. Clara searched through her mother's old notebooks and found a sketch of the same cracked blue stone, drawn more than 10 years ago. The bracelet was more than just a DIY project now. It was a bridge between two creators, a mother and daughter connected through craft. From that day on, Clara wore the bracelet whenever she designed. She said it reminded her that even broken things could shine if you give them a second chance. So next time you create something, look closer. Maybe what you make is not just art, maybe it is a message meant for you. If this story inspired you, like the video, share it with someone who loves handmade art, and subscribe to Lora, Inspire and Create for more DIY jewelry, creative storytelling, and inspiration straight from the heart.